Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Hi. How are ya? It is Monday. If you can believe it, it is Monday once again. I got bad news. I don't know how to tell you this. God help us. They've made another Sonic racing game. And God help us, I have bought another Sonic the Hedgehog racing game. In our Lord and Savior, Ken Penders, please forgive me. Because not only did I buy this thing, I pay-pigged on it. It's one thing that this game isn't officially big time out until what, Thursday? But if you pay-pigged up for the digital deluxe edition, you can start playing it today. It's getting good reviews. I'm liking what I'm seeing, kinda. But to say the last Sonic racing game I didn't like. Team Sonic Racing, I was so excited for because Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing, it specifically transformed God tier game. Team Sonic Racing, holy shit, I hated that game. Good goddamn did I feel like, oh, what happened? How'd this happen? This one's getting good reviews. But I also do feel like, am I about to be a victim of the Sonic cycle again? We're gonna find out, man. Now, I know what you're thinking, because I had this revelation this morning. There's a demo. There's a whole ass demo for this game on Steam. Why did I spend $90 on the video game and not play the demo? Now, that's a good point. I have no answer for you. I am stupid. That's my answer. You're welcome. But I'm excited, man. I've been getting more and more excited for this as the day's gone on. I do think ultimately I am going to like it more than Mario Kart World. It seems like there might be at least more to do in this than Mario Kart World. So I know, I think I said when Mario Kart World came out, like, I don't know if I'm gonna compare these two. Nah, fuck it, I'll compare them because Mario Kart World pissed me off. Sorry. I've had time to sit with my thoughts on Mario Kart World, and I think, like, when you're racing, I think the race mechanics are incredible. I think the track design is lacking. I think the online implementation is lacking. I think it being an evolution of Mario Kart is lacking. Ultimately, like, if I'm sitting down, if my friends are coming over and they want to play Mario Kart, as they often do, I don't think we're going to play World. I really got to be honest with you. I've been thinking about that, and it's like, what is there in World that I'd be like, yeah, hey, check this shit out, guys? Nothing. Now, are they gonna come over and we're gonna play Sonic Racing Cross World? Probably not, because they all want me dead for liking Sonic the Hedgehog. Now, you gotta understand, I'm an old man. I'm 27. When you're a 27-year-old man, okay, there was an era in your life 20 years ago where you either became a Sonic the Hedgehog fan or you, for the rest of your life, hate Sonic the Hedgehog and Sonic the Hedgehog fans. And unfortunately, my friends all are like, yeah, Sonic, this is cringe. This is cringe. Ew, cringe. All right. Hey, fuck you, man. Hey, don't come fucking crying to me when I'm over here having a great time. A great time. I don't know what that was. Sorry. A great time playing Sonic Generations, and you're on hour 200 of fucking DayZ miserable. Okay, fuck you. I'm getting mad at my imaginary friends. Grown man getting mad. Anyways, I hope this is the bug that bit me. I hope this is the racing game bug that's gonna bite me this year, because Mario Kart World left a hole in me. And I got, Garfield Kart 2 did not fill that hole. Sorry. I put 300 hours in that game, 100%ed it 6 times over. Got that on the Steam Deck. I'm taking it out on the street. I'm giving it to random. Hey, play Garfield Kart. Play Garfield Kart. No one's doing it. They're spitting at me. So hopefully Sonic's cooler than Garfield. Who's cooler, Sonic or Garfield? Go ahead. I'm actually a little bit surprised Garfield isn't going to be DLC for this game. I think if Garfield Kart 2 didn't happen, I actually think he would, because Garfield's now owned by Viacom. Garfield is a Nickelodeon property in the same way the Ninja Turtles are. Can I just say, wouldn't that be dope if we got Garfield and Sonic crossing over again? Do you know how, like, what's it called? Not vilified. Is it vilified? Is that the word I'm looking for? Vilified. No, okay, vilified is not the word I'm looking for. Justified, but like seen, I don't know what the word is that I'm looking for. But anyways, as someone who, ever since I was like 12, have thought that, the Garfield and Sonic double pack on Windows 90, was it 95 or 98? That had the PC port of Sonic 3 and Knuckles and the PC port of Garfield Caught in the Act. I've always found that fascinating and funny. It would be crazy for an official crossover of Garfield and Sonic, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Strangely, though, we are getting an official crossover of Sonic and the Ninja Turtles and Sonic and SpongeBob. What is it? What's the DLC packs? We've got Miku, and then we're getting Jorker. Or is Jorker already out? And then we're getting Ichiban. Those are gonna be free. But then we're gonna get SpongeBob, Ninja Turtles, Avatar, Pac-Man, and then the last one, which leaked this week, I guess has been leaking in physical copies, has been Mega Man. Minecraft, that's the other one. Fuck, dude, Minecraft. Part of the fun of Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing for me is like, what do you mean these characters are together? And then Transformed got so many weird DLC. TF2 and now where is Simon from the Yogscast? Can I ask, Sega, are we getting Simon from the Yogscast again? Do you know how much I would pay for that? Legitimately, if they were like, hey, $10 just to have Simon from the Yogscast, I'd be like, yeah, why not? Yeah, what the fuck, why not? You can get my ass if it's stupid. You can get me to gleefully pay pig if it's stupid. I do wish and hope more Sega characters are coming. I do wish and hope more Sonic characters are coming, which we'll talk about when we start playing here. Like there's rumors that like Tangle and Whisper from the IDW comics are coming. That would be cool. Those characters are, you know, the IDW comics are canon because they're written by Ian Flynn as well. It'd be nice to see those characters in the game, but I'm also like, I think you can kind of only put them in spin-offs. I think if just out of nowhere Tangle shows up in a main series Sonic game, like I do feel like it would be distracting and weird, but Miku's already out. Next ones will come in Cocktober. Are you guys, which Sonic characters are you most excited to play as in Cocktober, No Nut November, and Destroy Dick December? Who are you playing with this month in Suck Cock September? Sucktember. You think Daft Punk will make a detour from Fortnite? Are Daft Punk dead? Didn't John Daft and Jimmy Punk die? They're doing a okay, but okay. Are they doing a Fortnite concert? Or did Epic just rig some Daft Punk models and you're gonna hear Around the World played? I don't need to go to a Fortnite Daft Punk concert. I gotta be real with you. I'd go to a real Daft Punk concert that I'd go to. But if I need visual stimulation with Daft Punk music, I'm just gonna watch Interstellar 555. No Nut November, I don't even think I can touch this game. Is it that, Lucas? Let me ask you. Let's set my expectations too high here. Let's do this. Is it good? Is it as good as Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing Transformed? You think they'll put Grounder in the game? I hope so. Grounder, Scratch, Grounder, Coconuts. Get Long John Baldy. Well, he's dead, but Baldrick, sorry. Racing as usual, I see. Do you know how fucking crazy I would go if they put cell-shaded Robotnik, like they did Robotnik from Adventures with Sonic the Hedgehog, and he's like cell-shaded. He plays this fucking... Do you know how fucking crazy I would go? Snooping as usual, I see. But they'd never do it, right? Like, I mean, if anyone was to do it between like Sega and Nintendo, it'd be Sega. But, you know, it'd be like if Nintendo was like, put fucking King Koopert from the Mario cartoon in the Mario Kart world. And it's him being like, lick my feet. Do I have that clip on the... I don't think I have... Oops. I hit the wrong button. I don't think I have that clip on the board, do I? I should get that on the board. Hold on. Lick my feet. Guys, I don't think I have that on the board. You know, I don't have Sonic stuff on the board. Isn't that weird for as big of a Sonic guy as I am? What is this? Oh, you know what? We do this every time. Never mind. Every time I get distracted by, I have a button that isn't in a folder just labeled rat. And every time I see it, I'm like, what the hell is rat? And then I hit it and it's the video of the guy beating up Chuck E. Cheese. Anyways. It's a little unpolished, but aside from that, it is a lot of fun and I can easily see myself playing a lot of this. Now, do we know, is there online, how's the online lobby? You know what, let's just get in. You know what the fuck am I yammering about? Why are we yapping right now? The game is out, you dingbat. Play the fucking game, you dumbass. Hey, you got Sonic in this game? How about you boot it up and find out yourself? You fat fuck barrel boy. Sorry. When are they adding Bob Hoskins? Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. And I don't want Bob Hoskins Mario or Eddie Valiant or any of this. Just actual Bob Hoskins. Put him in. What the fuck is this? Fucking hedgehogs everywhere I fucking look. I love Bob. Have you ever watched Bob Hoskins in not a fucking American slop film? No offense to Who Framed Roger Rabbit. That's a great movie. But watch like Mona Lisa or The Long Good Friday. Dude, he's fucking great, dude. Bob Hoskins, one of my all-time favorite actors. The problem is he's in like maybe 4 good movies. And then everything else he did, specifically in Hollywood, is like, yeah, he's Shmee in Hook. What? Yeah, he's Shmee in Hook. What do you mean he's Oh, he's super British. Oh, he's incredibly fucking British. He's one of the faces of like British mob movies. Mona Lisa is really great. I mean, Long Good Friday is like the one, right? But Mona Lisa is my favorite. He's so good in that. And the twist of that movie is so good where like it's good. Yeah, he's incredibly British. He's so fucking British. That's why Eddie Valiant is such an like good, like impressive to me performance, is you never would believe that. He's so like hard-boiled American, but no, Bob Hoskins, incredibly British. Fucking hedgehogs. Mona Lisa is a great Lil Wayne song. Okay. All right. Glad to know the chat members know art and culture. That's good. Now, I'm going to tell you, I got one problem already, and we'll talk about it. But let's watch this intro, because I booted up the game to make sure it was working, but I didn't watch this intro. Do we have audio? Did you guys hear that? Yeah, we got audio. Okay, I haven't seen this intro yet. Fuck the Babylon Roads. Putting this on the gym playlist. Oh, Silver's dead. Oh, fucking, what's his name? Don Paponpon? Jesus Christ! Shadow just killed that man. Oh, Knuckles is dead. Everyone's dying! God, look at the graphics. This song sucks. Mods, kill him! This song does suck, but I like it. This song does suck, but I'll take it. I would rather they had this than no like song with lyrics. Am I gonna listen to that off not playing the game? Fuck no, man. That's coworker music. But okay, so here's the thing. Oh, God bless. Okay, when I booted the game up to make sure it was all working, it was like show tutorial, and I had to go like, no, I want to get into the settings. Thank fucking Christ there's a tutorial. I don't know how to drive a car. Okay. Okay. Don't the little Startman, doesn't that look like the UFOs from Sonic CD? Okay. Yeah, you can drift. I got it. Why is my controller wet? Excuse me. Excuse me, what was that? What was the Toot Toot Sonic Warrior in the music? Excuse me. Waiter. Waiter. Excuse me, there's a Sonic CD in my soup. Waiter. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to this tutorial at all. I'm listening to the music. I feel like I'm gonna understand what's happening here. I do know how to play racing video games. This looks like this tutorial has done more to sell me on the game than like the months of like watching gameplay footage at the slowest speed. Okay. Sonic Fly Car, Sonic Swim Car. Jump higher, gain more speed. I know how the car works, man. Oh, okay, that's it. Goodbye. All right, game is a little loud, so I'm gonna lower it just a little bit. I don't like that when I click off, the sound goes away. Do we know a workaround for that? Because I already went through the settings. Okay, I can't play online. Why can I not play online? Do I have to? I gotta do single player stuff, right? Like, it's not like the online's not on yet, right? Get to clear the first Grand Prix. Okay. One player. Race Park. Dodon Pa. That's right. Again, this guy showed up, Sonic Racing, or Team Sonic Racing. I went, that's a good design, and then I didn't give a shit. I thought he was Eggman. I thought that was gonna be the twist, is he was gonna reveal himself to be Eggman. Is he not Eggman?
Now listen closely.
What does that mean? All right, so I gotta beat my rival. Okay, all right, who do we got? We got Sonic. This is Sonic. He's got the Sonic car. Tails also has the Sonic car. Knuckles is also in the Sonic. Okay, so we're just gonna pick. Who do I pick? I do fuck with Metal Sonic. Oh, but I also like Espio. Oh, but I also like Vector. But I also like Big the Cat. I also like Storm. I also like Eggman. I also like Shadow. Oh, it's Omega. Wow. I don't know who to choose. I legitimately don't know who to choose. God, they look good though, don't they? Roog. Where, okay. When do we start having the discussion about Sega stole Rouge the Bat's tits? When does that discussion start? Let's be... I do love Big the Cat. Let's stop that discussion. Mods, kill him. Mods, they're trying to censor me. Gosh. I want to be Shadow the Hedgehog. Okay, so this is Silver Shar. But so I can choose whoever I want and make them whatever I want, is what you're telling me. Well, I want to ride on a board because I think that's cool. So I choose this. Parameters. Oh, thank you. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, wait, that goes hard as fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. I think, can I change the color? Oh, turn steering assist off. I don't need that. Is there any way for me to choose the color? Oh. Oh. Oh, this is gonna go hard as fuck. Please, God. Please, our Lord and Savior Azuka. Please let this game be fun to play. Please let me enjoy the racing. All it needs now is skins. Let's do high speed. There's a 200cc. That's more than Mario Kart World has, baby. Oh, fuck, dude. 200cc Beerio Kart is back. My friends will actually play this. My friends will actually play this.
Ready?
Oh, that's not what Rouge the Bat sounds like. But all right. Gadgets. How do I've got no gadgets or, oh. How do I choose a, double boost, hold 3 items. Oh. All right, let's do this one. Let's do hold 3 items. All right. Music's good. Presentation's good. Okay. Whoa, this is like Sonic the Hedgehog. That goes hard as fuck.
Oh, dear me. How is this fair? Think you could give yourself a handicap for old time's sake?
No.
I know you're perfectly capable in your own right. I'll give my all against anyone, friend or foe.
Aww. Shadow the Hedgehog say you are my friend. Gain speed by using air tricks in the air. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna fuck this up so bad. Okay. How do I make... Oh, okay. A is accelerate. Okay, the X button accelerates instead of R2. That's... I guess it makes sense. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't. Okay. Alright, we drifting. Okay.
Let's do this!
How do I use an item? The United States government has not taught me how to do this. What's the use button? Got it. Fuck. Okay. All right, hold on. What was the... Is there a jump button? Didn't it tell me about a jump button?
Farewell.
I'm gonna kill these guys. I'm right. I'm panicking. Oh, okay, that's only for in the water. Oh.
Just toying with me.
This control's fun.
Attack.
I gotta learn what the different items do, but like this, I feel like that's always though like the bitch of playing like a non-Mario Kart kart racer is trying to figure out like, okay, what does each one of these items do? Like, what does Omochao do?
Omochao here.
I guess just give me rings. Okay, that's fine.
See you next time.
You dare.
Kirby, which Sonic game is this level from? Go ahead. Oh, dude. Oh, you got a gash on your neck, dude. Oh, fuck. Turn the game volume down. Turn your speakers up. Yeah, it is like, I can't get this game to be quieter. Brother, the game, hold on. I'm telling you, it is not changing when I change it. I am telling you now, I am changing it on the volume mixer and it's not changing it. So we're going to have to hard mix this. How is this? Great, that's better, but now it's too loud for me. There, how's that? Is it, whoa, King Boo Boom! Much better? Okay. That's weird. I don't think I've ever had a game where, like, if I change the volume in the volume mixer in like Windows, it doesn't actually change the fucking volume on OBS.
Denied. Unleash.
Hey, do my red rings carry over? I don't have to get them all in one go, right? I gotta get chat up. I can't see chat. Also, again, it would be nice if I could tab out of the game and audio continues, but I don't think Sonic Generations does that. Like, Sonic Generations, I think, has, like, Sonic X Shadow Generation, sorry, also has that problem, so. Alright, 18 Dodons. 18 Dodongos.
So what? This proves nothing.
Girl, what happened to your tits? Sorry! What did Sega do? I can't jerk off! Did Shadow say? Yeah, that's a Shadow quote. What happened to your tits? Why did Sega remove your tits? I can't jerk off. I feel like I should be jumping, like it's Mario Kart, and I'm not jumping, and it's like pissing me off.
Farewell.
Oh, you fucking dick. That's my horn? Fuck. I don't know what's going on with that guy, but I'm staying away from him. That's between him and God.
Let's take the scenic route.
What the fuck is this? Space Harrier? Sorry, what Sonic game is Magma Planet from? I think I missed that one. To do tricks, am I supposed to be flicking the left stick? Or do I use... it kind of... Alright, it works sometimes. Alright, I gotta beat Rouge. Oh, I just stole her shit. Okay. Holy shit, I'm kitted up now. Bye.
You're just toying with me.
Bye. Sloppy.
I'm done playing with you.
What's happening? No! Get her! Please. Please, Shadow. Please, Shadow! We lost. We're not gonna get a new character.
I should have done better.
Oh, fuck. Guys, who's your favorite Sonic character? Okay, here's my thoughts on how this plays. Good. Yeah, it's good. Water Palace. Who the fuck is this? Man who's never played a Sonic the Hedgehog game before. World's biggest Sonic the Hedgehog fan doesn't know what the fuck is going on. I can't get that trick thing though. I gotta learn how hard I gotta flick it on the trick it. Killed her. Oh fuck, dude! I'm gonna play this. I know I'm already playing this, but like, you know what I mean. I now no longer fear this game and how I'm gonna feel about it. I think it feels alright. Oh, I know. Okay, Dragon Road, I know. That one's from Sonic Unleashed. Would you leave me alone, Metal Sonic, you fucking robot? Robot bitch? But you suck my nuts and bolts, you robo bitch.
Unleash. Disappear. Slash.
Are you just toying with me?
Left. I can't wait to learn how to play this game. That's how I feel right now. Eventually, I'm gonna understand what I'm doing and do sick combos.
Take that.
This music's real good. Guys, what the hell? Good music in a Sonic game? What the flip? Oh, whoa. Okay, I didn't have an inventory slot ready for that. That one's on me. What is this? Green punching glove. What'd it do? Okay, that felt good. This
Never
thing,
any
Crossroads
doubt.
thing is a lot more fun than the intermission tracks. Oh, 100%, because it's an actual track. It's not a highway. You're not driving straight. You're doing things. Huge idea. Let's switch this one. Huge idea. What if the gimmick of our game was gameplay? Oh, okay. All right, the fourth track is just all three tracks again. That's weird. I don't know how I feel about that one, but okay. God, I'm so happy the Extreme Gear is back. You know, it's cool to see everyone in like a car.
Get your head in the game.
I like seeing everyone have car, but like, Extreme Gear is where it's at. And this feels better to play than any Sonic Riders game. So it's the best of both worlds for me. Oh, he going fucking crazy! Goodbye. Big on Extreme Gear? Fuck yeah. It's just dope. I like the customization.
I'm done playing with you.
I just, this is good, man. This is good. So far. Maybe we'll find something for me to, like, really bitch about, but... Uh-oh. Goodbye. Dude, that's so cool that King Boom Boom shows up. And he's wearing sunglasses so he can be out in the sun. That's so funny.
Maximum power.
Alright. Do kind of feel like I got this one on lock. I don't think there is like a blue shell like item. If there is, I haven't seen it yet, but could be real. Anyone know if real? Okay, and you can't like hold items behind you to protect you.
Maximum power.
What's happening? Ow! Fuck! Ow! Fuck!
I'm done playing with you.
Oh, I'm scared. Stop! Please, Nickelodeon, please!
Are you
Please!
just toying with me?
Alright, that got scary.
Ultimate victory.
That got really scary. Lack of polish compared to Mario Kart is my only downside. Yeah, like it feels like I would say like Mario Kart feels better to play. Like as of right now, 20 seconds into the game, probably would say I'd pick Mario Kart 8 over this, but this feels like Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing Transformed. Like this feels way better than Team Sonic Racing. L. Yeah, let me see Shadow.
Now you understand I am peak perfection.
I am peak. Dude, he got his own little jingle too. Did you hear that? Now you understand. I am peak. Yeah, let's customize those gaggets. The werehog. Oh right, this is the digital deluxe shit. I am hey, ugly as fuck. I ain't touching those. I don't know what's going on there. I ain't touching that. Werehog 9. Why he look like that? What's wrong with your face? Okay, so this one, if you signed up for the Sega, you had to make a Sega account. And you got the blue star. So I signed up. Oh, hard as fuck. Miku! Watashi wa! Oh, Miku Sonic music? New mechanic. Gadget plate. Okay. Cool. Do your own build. Yeah, that's great. God, that's great. Yeah, all right. I'll play 1,000,000 hours of this. Yeah, I'll become a Sonic Racing cross-world streamer. All right. I want Air Trick Expert. Oh, that's a 2 slaughter. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Well, let's do that, because I want it. Okay. Customize mecha name. That's great. Character. Sponge. I'm gonna fuck to this song. These are like shockingly good models. I kind of wish. I mean, okay, all right, hold on. I'm gonna critique the SpongeBob though. Can I do this? Can I do that? Can I trade in all the sex I've had in my life for this 1 minute where I critique the SpongeBob model? His holes are orange, not green, which is a thing with the merchandising, and you'll see a lot. They'll make his holes orange. His chin is not red. You don't have the red line on the chin. Now, is that his chin or is that his bottom lip? That's a big point of debate in the Spinch community. I say it's his chin. I think that's his little chin. Otherwise, great Spinch, great Patrick. This does not sound like Minecraft music. No. No. Miku! Okay, that is Persona music. Okay. This does not sound like Minecraft music. Dude. 13-year-old me would be going fucking crazy right now. 13-year-old me would be going fucking ballistic. Now, I think any of these downloaded characters have no voice lines, right? So they've got no rival lines. So if I play as the Werehog, that's great, but he's got no rival lines. Okay, who do I want to be? Also, let's be, Miku makes noises. That's not a noise, but it is, I guess. I don't know. I kind of want to I want to keep being Shadow. I like playing Shadow. Extras. Challenges. Earn rewards. Oh, fuck, dude. Nice. Yeah, I don't mean to brag, but... So, okay, so you got the challenges. What the fuck is Race Park? Titles. Friendships? I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what a friendship is. Sorry, did that say you'll get more by doing time trials? Play Miku. Play We Are Pico Hammers. Damn, they got a lot of Miku tracks. That's crazy. Sorry, Creepy Nuts? Did Kirby start a band? What do you mean add remove favorite? Can I choose? Sorry, what was that? Set album as background music. What do you mean set album as background music? What are you fucking, what are we talking about? Are we talking about like Street Fighter 6 shit? Where I could choose whatever music I want? You can set your own music. You're fucking sick. You're Sega. You fucked up big. I mean, we talked about this when I did Sonic Generations. That was my favorite shit to do in Sonic Generations, when I would like grind times down, and then when they would change the way online works for Sonic X Shadow, like I was kind of bummed about that. Customize Makeen. Okay. How do I buy? Okay. Oh, is there more paints to buy? No, I don't think so. But custom paints? Oh, you're sick. Oh, you're fucked up, dude. Put my, this is my Sonic OC. This is my Sonic OC Bordy the Hedgehog. This is crazy. This is demonic crazy. I'm sorry, Asus? I'm sorry. Alienware? Gotta get my Alienware board. Is that a Beyblade? Why are there Beyblades? What do you mean Beyblades? Why is there Pac-Man? What do you mean Hidden World? Donkey Ote. What do you mean Donkey Ote? Yeah, AirAsia's a real company. Hi, Chew. This is... Can I get this tattooed on my fucking face? Can I please get the Sonic and Don Quixote penguin tattooed on my fucking face, dude? Lenovo, MSI, Puma, Samsung Pro. Dude, you gotta get the Puma board. What is this? Akira Toriyama? What do you mean Akira Toriyama? Anisha. Atsushi. Who are these people? Two bro. What the fuck is going on here? Anyways, we're putting that on my board. You can have a million decals. Oh, we're gonna race car the fuck out of this. Horn. The Popo. You give me the duck one. Old man Jenkins. Okay, that is worthless to me. Aura. My board is aura farming right now. This is crazy. I want this shit though. God damn, do I want the Jaws rocket. Wispin? Hold on. The Wispin though, isn't this Wispin stuff? Like, Whisper? from the IDW comics. Like, that's her color scheme, like in the preview image. What the fuck is going on here, chat members? Oh, the blue star. Hold up. Okay. All right, let's build a custom one. Oh, or we could do. Oh, ooh. This is phallic. This is panacular. Please, no panaculars. I don't want to spend my tickets on stuff yet, though. You know, like, I don't want to go crazy customizing because I'm like, ooh, I don't know what type I'm gonna like. First of all, change back to this fucking guy. Let's do a speed type this time. Should we check out the online? Or should we keep doing Grand Prix? Look, it's Orbot and Cubot. Also, didn't Dodonpaw current with certain gadgets are okay, disabled. Great. Ranking? Oh fuck, there's a ranked mode. Did I misinterpret what Dodonpaw said about, like, if you beat your rival in each thing, in each like race, he'll unlock characters? Did I like misinterpret what he was trying to say there? I thought he was saying, like, for each race you do, if you come first place, you unlock a super character. Did I misinterpret that? What's Race Park? Dude. I don't know. You know what? Let's find out. Yeah, let's try a speed. Boost was fine. I'm always gonna want to do the boards. I'm always gonna want to do it. But let's see, you know, maybe I'll like speed more. What is happening? Oh. I want to kill Tails. I am Shadow the Hedgehog. Canonically, I want to kill Tails. Metal Harbor? Yippee! Yeah, just do this one. I do like Metal Harbor. I hope it plays the music from Metal Harbor.
You may be Sonic's equal, but that doesn't matter. I'll prove myself and beat you.
I have no equal. You will race, and you will lose.
Yeah, and I'm gonna kill you. That is a meme for those in the unaware. Shadow hates Tails. Shadow wants to murder Tails, and I don't really know 100% where that meme comes from, but it is funny to me. So. That's the music! That's the Metal Harbor music! I know that from Metal Harbor! Is this what it's like to be happy? Oh, that was a gun robot! Yippee! I love Sonic the Hedgehog! No, take me to space.
I should use this.
Whoa! Now this is some Sonic the Hedgehog shit. I thought this was gonna be like, oh, it is Sonic colors, but that little inside section was like SA2. That was cool. I love Sonic the Hedgehog. They're doing the thing from the game that I played. Wowee! I know I sound really facetious right now and like, but I'm legitimately like, oh, that rules. Like levels with obstacles and gimmicks and things. What a concept. Stages where stuff actually happens. Oh, I got gacked. What the fuck is this? I don't know what just happened, but I liked it. Oh, I missed. Are those planes supposed to be flying at like 15 FPS? Did you see that? The Metal Harbor bomb jets are going like 15 frames a second. It's fine. Honestly, I do not feel that much of a difference between a speed and a boost.
We have to do better than this.
It feels exactly the same to me. Is that starting thing supposed to be the UFOs from Sonic CD? It has to be, right? That can't just be like my brain being stupid, right? Like the Ghost Jewels! Whoa, they got all the different types of Ghost Jewels! Dude, that was the Sonic 3 Ghost Jewels and the Sonic Adventure 2 Ghost Jewels. Shut up. All my favorite ghosties hanging out.
Not good. Farewell.
Oh, the Worms from Sandopolis. Wow. Hi, Worms.
I can still do this.
Uh-oh. I drove in the middle. Fuck. Where am I? I think this is Holoska. Is that from Sonic Unleashed? The hell's a Holoska? Hi guys. Hi everyone. Yeah, man, all of that footage, all that pre-release footage that I was so worried about because the game looked so slow and sloppy, man, it feels good. It feels good to play. To find a way to put the Chaos Emeralds in one of these games. Is that like, is the idea of Sonic and friends using the Chaos Emeralds to race their cars, like, is that like fucked up? They're like, Sonic would never. Help me. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking Daddy Likey. Don't Sonic and Shadow use them to go super in the first All-Stars Racing? Yeah, I think they do. Why don't they, but in like the Sonic racing games, they don't do it. They should do it. I want to see Super Storm. Oh, Coconut Mall. Okay. Man, this one could go crazy. Missed opportunity on this one. If they made the colors like garish, so it looked like that like screensaver art from the mid-90s, that would have gone hard. It really is just Coconut Mall. Damn. Okay. All right. Lawsuit coming, but all right. You do you, Sega. Okay, all right. The shield protects you. That checks out and makes sense. Okay, in green boxing glove, you gotta aim with it. I get it. Okay, magnet drag at you. Okay. All right, we're learning. I'm learning what the items do. Oh, fuck. Oh, the food court's ruined. Oh, my God. Oh, it's a tragedy at the Panda Express. Man! Why my Pac-Man covered in mold? Why my Pac-Man got teeth? What the fuck is that thing? What is that disgusting creature? Why my Pac-Man look like that? The fuck? Why my Pac-Man a chain chomper? Uh-oh, I'm dead. Uh-oh. Oh, I just got fucking creamed. I don't know what's happening. The movies? Can I go see the Sonic movie? Yippee! My legs are broken. I have a severe concussion. Do you think Shadow the Hedgehog is cool enough to drink and drive? That goes hard as fuck. Tails going, this is humiliating, and Shadow just going, good. Is this like a track of the bonus stages from the Genesis? Hey man, you're the pack expert. You're the pack professor. I don't know. The Sonic bonus stages. I did not get that vibe from that, but maybe I got to see it again. That was not the vibe I got from. If they wanted that, they should put birds and fish in the sky. I do think the fourth track being all three of the previous ones, I feel like that's really cheap. I feel like it's like, okay. Wow.
I can't let it go like this. I've got to up my game.
You are dumb and a child, and I am smart and an adult. Bye-bye. Okay, I say that, you know, what I said about, like, the fourth track just being the previous three, but getting to hear Metal Harbor again is cool, so. Why do I have a bomb? Why do I have a bomb?
No problem. I can still do this.
You are small and a child. I am old and an adult and big. This is what I say to the children at the line at Dairy Queen. Fuck. I want to go this way. Yeah, this is the SA2 Ghost Rules, but I swear those other Ghost Rules are the... Dude, he made the noise! I swear those other ones are like the, Is it Sandopolis in SA3? Or SA3. In Sonic 3? You release and then they haunt your ass? Guy played SA3. Yeah, it's called Sonic 06, bitch. What game is Sonic Adventure 3 to you? Is it Sonic Heroes? Is it Sonic 06? Don't do it. Is it Sonic Unleashed? Because for some reason people argue that one is. People argue that's Sonic Adventure 3 because in Japan the game's called Sonic World Adventure. And it's like, well, that's not the same, but okay. I win it. A perfect win.
Never any doubt.
I think it really is Sonic 06. I would agree with that. I think Sonic 06 is them, like, Heroes is doing its own thing, and then 06 is them, like, really trying to, like, remake stuff from the adventure games at points, and it doesn't work. Dude, flawless.
He tried so hard, though.
L. Loser boy, loser boy.
A foregone conclusion.
Loser boy. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's customize our Gaggets. Hey, you know what? All of those stages had a fun thing going on. And the Crossworld thing makes for a fun thing. It makes it interesting and fun. Oh, okay. 130 ring limit? Okay. Now let's do this one. I think it's Sonic the Hedgehog 4 Part 2. Yeah, you think that's Sonic Adventure 3? If you think that's Sonic Adventure 3, I feel sorry for you. It's about as good as SA2. That's a joke. Yeah, hey. You're smart to follow that up with. I'm joking. Because I do this to you. This is you. Ready? I rip your fucking head off, little pup. I'm the alpha and you're the beta. Yeah, Orbot and Cubot are standing right there. Also, I did not unlock a character, so I've just been lied to. Okay, so speed didn't really change anything. I just want to keep playing a Shadow. I do love Shadow. What about Yuckles? Let's try a power character.
Yo, let's go.
Let's play Yuckles. Okay, that's the Yuckles Truckles. Fuck, dude. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna get to customize that. Hold on. Okay. Frog Cruiser. Cross Dozer. The fuck? Is that Ichiban's car? Hold on. Let's be big. Oh, do I not? You don't get Big's car by default. Okay, you gotta buy Big's car. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. This is what gaming's all about. He's that cat too goddamn big for his card. Alright, hold on. This kind of goes hard as fuck though. Also, I like that it looks like Amy's car from Sonic Drift. Let's play as Big the Cat in the Beast Spike. Let's go full power. Just to see what it's like. Oh shit. Egmont or Amy? God, I would like to see Big the Cat and Eggman interact. Let's do it. I would like to see that go down. Mystic Jungle? Whoa. Whoa, it's like Mystic Jungle.
It's you again. What's your name? Very plain and overt. Big. What a forgettable oath you are. Even if you're scared of losing, it's not nice to be mean.
Yeah! He's too emotive though. Like, this is my problem. From what I've seen from like modern Big, he kind of emotes too much. Adventure Big doesn't emote to anything about anything. Oh, Jesus. Okay. All right, hold on. This feels different. This feels like what you would expect. Why does it keep saying whoops?
Get back in line. Excuse me.
What are you doing? You're the power character. Why are you bouncing off everyone?
Steampunk City.
The fuck is this? This is the trains from Rail Canyon. Hey, you fucking dick. Oh shit, it is the trains from Rail Canyon. Stop saying I'm never gonna pick Big again. That's so annoying. That's so fucking annoying. That's fine.
So much for your lead.
I hate him. I do not like you, Big the Cat.
So much for your lead.
No! God, did I not get him in the 11th?
Finish.
Quit. Quit.
guess.
Quit. 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 20 tickets to I'm not gonna quit. That's good money. I can't. I hope you earn tickets online.
This is just building false confidence.
Oh, Apatos. Stop saying whoops. 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 Oh, this. Okay. Oh, God. Jesus Christ, help me in my time of need. I can't get off the walls.
Excuse me.
Why is he saying whoops when he's doing tricks? That doesn't even make sense.
Random track. And now for the next phase of my plan. Get back in line.
Oh, fuck. That was sick. I don't know how I survived that, but it was cool that I did.
Feeling good.
Ow. I think that dinosaur just fucked up my plan. I think I just got dino fucked. God damn it! Please, Biggie. Oh, shortcut. Oh, bad shortcut. My favorite film in the Bad Grandpa franchise, Bad Shortcut. I'm about to lose again. I'm about to lose again. I'm about to lose so bad. Oh, come on, man!
Not too bad, I guess.
I'm getting smoked. He has rolled up and smoked that big pack. It's because I'm playing as big. What's the point of a power character anyways? I will never play as Big the Cat again in my life.
See you later.
You could not pay me enough money to play this character again after this. Like, what's the point? He just crashed into me. It didn't, like, send him flying. Oh, the tornado.
Here we go.
The point is, oops. I will never play as Big the Cat again.
Random track now for the next phase of my plan.
You bitch.
Get back in line.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I missed.
Excuse me. I should.
Fuck off!
Time to cast. Go, go, go. Oops. Woohoo. Final lap. Big, really?
Why the dinosaurs alive? I'm scared.
Too much?
I can't. I do. There's so much going on right now.
Get back in line. Careful.
Hi there, Ocho here. See you next time.
Whoa, they got cowboy ghosts. Okay, I got first on something at least. Where did he place? Fourth?
Everything is cool. It's excellent.
I think we're tied now, right? Fuck. Dude, that was hard. This is getting difficult in a way that I like. There's a challenge here. The rival thing is fun. Cause like when I'm playing online on Mario Kart, like I'm already picking people out and being like, I'm gonna kick your ass. So the game telling me like, you gotta kick this guy's ass is fun. All right, we gotta make this one count big time. We gotta win this big style. Not Big the Cat style, I mean Big the Cat. I'm not picking Big the Cat after this.
I won't accept defeat. I won't.
I wonder what Ichiban is gonna say. I don't think he's gonna say anything. Any of the downloadable characters other than Miku, I don't think have voice lines. Don't throw the ball. What? How the fuck is he all the way up here? Yeah, get him. You missed. Jesus, he's zooming. I don't know how I'm gonna catch up. With a wing and a prayer, I guess. Oh, gee. Get off the grass. Yeah, I'm fucked. You know, they're not that far up there. And at least he's got some kind of competition to fight with. We might be able to save this. This could be salvageable.
Here we go.
I just need some really good items. Fuck! Fuck! It's over. It's over. Call my wife. It's over. Wait, it's not over. Please, God, grant this cat wings.
Excuse me.
No, it's over. It's over. Fuck! My first L.
Oh well, maybe next time.
My first L. It's because I was playing a power character.
If at first you don't succeed, give up and submit.
Do you guys hate me now? Show of hands in the chat. Who here hates me now?
Let's move.
Yeah. Okay. Character. Not Big the fucking cat. Never Big the cat ever again. Let's play as... You do earn tickets and stuff playing online? Okay, dope. Let's play... Let's play... Welcome to my Let's Play. Let's play as Espio? No, I don't give a shit about Espio. Let's play as...
Hi there.
I can't jerk off to that. Let's play...
I'm on the case.
Sure. But I'm not playing a power character. Let's put him in this shit. Is Duck Hunt in the game? Yeah, you gotta, if you 100% it, you unlock the Duck Hunt dog. Damn, I didn't even get a trophy on that one. That's sad and pathetic, but let's keep going. There's a lot of tracks here. It's crazy you could just spoil it like that. Where's that pumpkin here? There is a lot of tracks here. That's cool. That's a good thing. All right. Crystal Mine. What Sonic game is the Crystal Mine from? Thanks, man. Good point.
Man, how many times do me and the boys have to deal with your nonsense? Just stay your regular size this time.
Alright, badass. Good line. That's so dope. That's so dope. I never even, man, Metal Sonic being his rival, I never even thought about that. Like, yeah, like Sonic Heroes, but also like Knuckles Chaotix. Metal Sonic is the villain in that. That's so funny. I never even thought about that, man. I was like, what the fuck did these two have in common outside of Sonic Heroes? Yeah, this feels way better. This is much better than Big the Cat. This feels good. This is a Sonic racing game, man. Like using the boost rings to like fly around the stage and do shortcuts, like that's what's fun about Sonic games. I put that in a fucking racing game, like I'm gonna go crazy. This music's real good. They knew what they were doing with this music. What is the crystal mine from? Is this supposed to be from Frontiers? Where do Sonic and his friends get their J.O. crystals? Questions that I sent into the Archie Comics Ask the Editor column that never got answered. Yeah, that went way better.
That's why you leave it to the pros.
That was way more manageable. Dude, it just really feels like they took stuff that I like about like Sonic Generations or Shadow Generations and put it into a racing game. Like, that's dope. That's so nice. Would I like ultimately rather have like an on-foot Sonic platform racer? Like, yeah, maybe, but this fucking slaps. Supersonic racing music. That's crazy, supersonic racing music. Oh, fuck yeah. Play the song. You better play the song. This is not the song.
One of our biggest cases started here.
Dude. Okay, it's Toot Toot Sonic Warrior music, but that's crazy that he references based on the track. That's so good. I love you, Sonic the Hedgehog, the franchise. You are my only friend, Sonic the Hedgehog, the franchise. You are my only friend, Sega Corporation.
After a while. Random crash. Right on the trail.
No. No way. Is this the fucking cyberspace from Shadow the Hedgehog? No fucking way. We got the goddamn find the computer room. Dude, yeah, I'm fucking with this one. Oh shit. Dude. I'm getting fucking ruined in this race, but holy shit. My little Sonic fan heart. Man, I was a doubter and a hater on this one. I've lived the Sonic cycle too many times. I lived the Sonic cycle with the last Sonic racing game, man. This rules, though. This one's good, though.
How'd you like that?
Damn. Dude, what a time to be alive. Where even the Sonic spin-offs are good. What a time to be alive. Fuck? Oh my god, the dungeon. The dungeon basement. The classic Sonic basement. Whoa. They put the Sonic basement in this game? When are they gonna put Sonic Schoolhouse in this game? Yeah, we're going that way. Yeah, please take me to Poker Town. Is this Bingo Highway? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Excuse me, what does that mean? I'm scared. Please, everything's going so fast. I'm so scared. I'm afraid of Sonic the Hedgehog. Please. 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 That's crazy. So there's variant types of the Crossworlds? Oh, okay. I maybe get what's going on there, but maybe I don't. Guys, what's your favorite Sonic Schoolhouse level? Let's just go around the chat room and kind of work out what our favorite one is. Excuse me. No, please. No, no. Please, I worked so hard for first place. You have to give it to me. I worked so hard. Please. This is the worst day of my life. I'm uninstalling the game. I'm getting a full refund right now. I'm contacting Sega right now. I'm on the phone with Yuji Naka. I just texted Yuji Naka. He said I'll commit more fraud. He said I'm gonna double tax fraud so that they'll never make another. He said I'm about to do a crime even more heinous, that they don't make any more Sonic games. You thought what I did before was fucked up? Just wait. Battleland Wonderworld 2. Sonic Schoolhouse speedruns when? If we hit 50 subs, I'll do it. I'll do Mario Teaches Typing and Sonic Schoolhouse. Actually, I'll do Mario's Early Years. Or whatever those games were. Mario's Preschool Years or whatever. You did it! Works for me! And I'll do Sonic Schoolhouse. Bitch. Metal Sonic, bitch that you are. Damn, I just missed that. Bitch that you are. Tupperware bitch that you are. I really like that they're using Toot Toot Sonic Warrior. Like top 5 Sonic track for me personally. What's the US opening to Sonic CD? I don't remember. Isn't it? What is it? What the fuck is the US? I play with the Japanese soundtrack. I prefer the Japanese soundtrack. Watashi wa. What the fuck is the opening on the US one? Where's Lucas? Lucas, help me. What is it? I can't even think. Hold on, locking in. bet he was doing an online race. He should quit. What's the wait, I tied. What happens if I get a tie? Oh, okay, a tie is still a win. What's the US opening to Sonic CD? That's right, Sonic Boom. Thank you.
Dance party.
Damn, I did really bad on that one. What time is it? I don't even know. 8:30? Fuck. Oh, hi, dun. Awesome.
I expect great things from you.
I think that rules. What is Race Park? I just need to know. Try online. That's what I'll do. I want to see what Race Park is though. AI rival teams. The fuck?
Your attention.
Oh.
I expect great things from you.
What the fuck is this even? Team Sonic 3 times. Whoa, look at that car though. Whoa, this is crazy, and I think you can play online with your friends. Like, you see, recommended for multiplayer. So we could like do this together, I think. Okay, online. Invite friends from friends list. What's the RB button do? Shadow the Hedgehog emotes.
Very well.
Pogging? I'm pogging. Okay. How do I invite? Friends list is on the left. Okay. Wait, how do can I make my icon not Sonic the Hedgehog? Why do I have an E? Whoa, it's Fortnite! Okay, friends list. Invite to lobby. I guess I'm just leaking your player ID right now. So hope you enjoy that. What a cute little animation though. Player icon. Maria! Chip! Dark Chow? Who the fuck's this lady? Chaos. Whoa! Awesome. Fair play points. Oh, okay. What the hell's going on with you? How do I change my car before we squad up? Hold on. Before we get squatting. Whoa. Doesn't that look like Infinite? Oh, that's the Jorker. Oh, that's Jorker's car. Okay. Shadow with the lowrider. I think that's funny. I don't know. I want this. I want the Jaws rocket. I want this thing so bad. Okay, let's make it kind of pinacular. Yeah. Fuck, that does go hard. Oh, shit. Decal. Great. That on there. Put, what is this random Akira Toriyama illustration? I don't know. Okay, Razor. I do use Razor. Only one pin decal. Oh. Oh. Oh, we can make that thing big with it. Oh, hold on. Do we have like a... Is there a cool Shadow the Hedgehog decal that I have? No. I gotta get the Shadow the Hedgehog decal, I guess. That's fine. I just need the... This is fine. Huge on boost. Which I don't really know how much that really helps me, but like, yeah, man. You know, like, yeah, badass. Okay, customized gadgets, that's fine. Character. Boost charges faster. Okay. So, world match then. So we can Fortnite squad up. That's great. Orbot and Cubot. Oh, I haven't seen some of these. I'm gonna say random.
Greetings. I see.
Damn, dude. Lucas fucked up, man.
Very well.
Let us commence.
Very well.
It's so cool that Sage is in the game. I'm glad that Sage is a mainstay. All right, let's see how this goes online. All right, immediately getting rammed. Immediately getting shoved into the wall and rammed. Fuck, dude. Okay, red rings you only get in single player, noted. We got to figure out where Race Park is, because that looks like we unlock shit and can do it in multiplayer, which is cool. What the hell is this floor? Go Pack World. Yeah, I don't. They're like the gem tiles. I get what you're saying about it being like the Sonic 1 special stages. I don't think that's what they're going for. Like with those specific little gem tiles, maybe, but I don't think all of this is supposed to be that. What's up with the big hairy Pac-Man with teeth? I'm afraid to ask. No, I'm stuck. Fuck. I hate walls. I'm fucked. I have no power. Everyone's just kicking my ass. I'm just defenseless out here. Just a defenseless little guy. Nice, I got an E-. How do I get... Oh! Oh, shit. Ah, fuck. Oh, welcome back, me grinding online points in Mario Kart 8. Oh, shit. I gotta reach the Super Legend rank. You can keep your ranked mode in Street Fighter. Thanks. I'll be getting ranked in Sonic Racing. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna keep doing random. That everyone's got their own emojis. That's great.
Hello.
Oh, Silver, don't talk to me ever again. Kirby, are you gonna pick this up when you get money? White space from Shadow Generations? Mm-hmm. Dude, I'm jealous of the people who got to do the open network test because you get an exclusive title that has the Sonic R logo on it. Blew my car up. Oh, fuck. This is crazy, because, like, this is the stage. Oh, that's so fucking wild. Like, this is the hub world. They just built a racetrack in it, but, like, the actual level geometry is the same. Oh, that's so weird. It's a little bit different, but it is, like, recognizably the hub world. That's crazy to me. I can't even tell what's going on. The blur is so strong. Fucking dildo. Can't trick anymore. Whoa, and this is when it goes evil mode at the end of the game. That's crazy. How many times am I gonna go, whoa, that's crazy while I play this game? What the fuck just happened?
Farewell.
Fuck. Alright, truck mode. No! I am big trucking. I am the ultimate trucker.
Finish!
I feel like I went bad.
Unacceptable.
Okay, but how bad was that? What place? 8th? Okay. E.
Of course.
Oh. All right. Keep this. This is all fine. Gadgets. No, I'm busy. Oh, you're not the egg pawn anymore. You're, shit, what's her name? Jet, Storm, and Wingle. Oh, I can see you right there. Wait, shit! This game needs skins. I like that my ranking is 12. Hey, I've seen this one before. Fucking Miku.
Sloppy.
Fucking Miku.
I never thought I would come back here again. No!
Is this All Hail Shadow? I think it is. I'm so far behind. Look how far behind. Well, I'm covering up the minimap. You can't, but I'm pretty far behind. Bullet bill me. Bullet bill me. Fuck. Killed my combo, you dickhead. This is a cool frenzy mode. You just have a permanent boost wisp. Cool. Gee whiz, I sure do love boosting. Truck mode. Fuck it, I'm a truck.
Now's my chance.
I thought that guy's username was Taco Penis. And I was gonna be like, Kirby, I didn't know you had money to buy the game. I thought you weren't buying it yet, bud.
Finish!
If you were with someone and they confided in you that their fetish was you put your penis in a taco shell, would you do it? Taco shell, hamburger bun, pastry. Anything to help my best friend.
Good.
You beat me? Yeah, I'm goated. Thanks. Hey, thanks for noticing. Yeah, I'm fucking swagged up, dude. Yeah, I snatch kisses and vice versa. All of these cars are black and red. So Lucas, do you also get to choose a track, or is it like Mario Kart where the, you know, the friend picks? Okay, cool. Yeah, you just Fortnite squad up with your friends. Fuck yeah. Dude, we'll play 100 hours of this. But can you squad up with more? Like if I have 5 friends, I think we can only squad up to 4. Laser. Stop.
Golden Temple.
What is this? Hi, Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Hi, Lucas. I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the wall. I'm stuck on the wall. Get me off the wall. Hi, Lucas. Bye, Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Ow. 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 Lucas is my rival. Hi, Lucas. Ow. Fuck! Okay, did I beat Lucas though?
Unacceptable.
We got like 5th, dude. Calm down. Dude, he cheated. Sega, I have it on good authority. Lucas just sent me his mods from his mod manager, and he's got a mod in there called Always Win. The 2 mods he has installed is Always Win and Rouge XXXL. Sega, help. Sega, I'm scared. Sega, please help. I'm starting to cry. You know what? Okay, 2 things that would make this game go from like hard to incredibly hard. 1, classic Sonic stuff. Real lack of like classic Sonic representation in this, right? We on the same page about that? Like, no classic Sonic characters, no like tracks from classic Sonic stages. Weird, right? Other thing, Chow Garden. A kart racer with a Chow Garden, I would go crazy. I hope this game is successful and gets like big DLC expansion. I mean, more than like this season. I hope we get more than like, here's some Nickelodeon characters. I would love to see other Sonic characters come to this game that aren't in here. Like the classic Sonic stuff. Like classic Sonic and Tails and Amy and Knuckles. The Knuckles is like, this is just Knuckles again. But classic Eggman and Mighty and Ray and Fang and, you know, even put, what's her name? Trip? I could put Trip in here, why not? Why not? Put Witchy Poo in the game. I don't give a shit. Put Witchy Poo in.
Digital and physical, I can handle.
That's crazy. That the cyberspace from Shadow the Hedgehog is in here. Well, is Pumpkin Mansion supposed to be the spooky levels from Shadow? Doesn't look like it is, but I don't remember what those are called. Is that also called Pumpkin Mansion?
Now's my chance.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of supremely weird that the classic Sonic stuff isn't in here.
Farewell.
I wonder if Sega is like curtailing classic Sonic stuff again after like Superstars was pretty much a flop. But you gotta put Witchy Poo in the game. Where's Witchy Poo? Where's Honey the Cat?
Good.
If Sega announced tomorrow that they're removing the character Amy Rose from all Sonic media and replacing her with Honey the Cat, are you pogging or not? If Sega announced tomorrow Amy's out, Princess Sally is in, pog or unpog? Are you pogging or are you flogging? Legitimately though, like, where's Bean? Where's Bark? Legitimately though, where is Classic Sonic? Where is Classic Eggman?
Let's go!
But where is Bean and Bark? Where's Heavy and Bomb? Where's Tikal? Where's Chaos? Where's Emerald? Where's Gemerald? Where's Gerald and Maria? They can't put Gerald and Maria in this shit. I never want to see Gerald and Maria again. Shadow Generations was such a, like, fulfilling character arc completer. I never want to see those characters interact with Shadow again. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want them to come back. Are people actually picking Lost World, guys? Because they were 8 years old with a Wii U at one point in their life. In the same way that if you picked Metal Overlord, they would be like, why did this guy just pick ugly Metal Sonic? Ew! No! It's Sonic Lost World! Isn't it, or is this Sonic Colors? I just remember seeing these in, like, in the actual Sonic game that they're from, and going like, these are just the same, like Mario Galaxy has like, isn't it Sweet Sweet Galaxy or something like that? Like I remember being like, this is such a weird, like even look at this airship. Like I just remember thinking like, what are we doing? Like this is just Galaxy. This is just Mario Galaxy shit. You stole it, Sega. You ripped them off, Sega. I have no idea. I wish it would tell me what place I'm at
Embarrassing.
when I finish, instead of having to sit here and be like, oh, what did I finish at? I have no idea. Fit? That's not bad.
Good.
I didn't even know I was first. Yeah, they should tell you what you're at when you finish. I'm no game dev.
Hello.
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 Hello. Oh. I see. Let us commence. See you later. Let's go.
Oh, they got
Farewell.
good sage. They have nice sage. They have, you defeated the virus, Sage. Well, wait, she didn't have a virus in her, did she? What the fuck? Silver the Hedgehog's here? I think we gotta go out to the main menu and we can change it. I also want to change mine because I feel like I have a 1-inch dick whenever my title just says rookie. I feel pathetic and embarrassed. It make my Pinor feel small. I fucked up. Okay, I'm only at 11th place. I can come back. This is salvageable. Hey, who dev'd on this game? Who is the dev team behind this? And don't say John Racing And don't say Jerry Fast Hog. I took a shortcut, Mom. Are you proud of me, Mama? Classic Shadow the Hedgehog quote. How high is the water, Mama? I hate that Lucas is gonna beat me at everything. Can we ban him? Can we get rid of this fucking guy? I love that shortcut. It's a really good shortcut because there's risk and reward.
Good.
All right, I'm gonna hit main menu so that we can change our titles. Why don't you get to play as Dodum Paw? Okay, how do I do this? Do we have to? No, it was friends list. No, that's player icon. How do we change our title? Okay, this gives me a second to look at this. Oh, perfect. Prevents rings from being dropped when bumping into walls. Oh, I love that. Yeah, give me that. How do we change our title? Do we have to break up the band? Hold on, let's leave. Squad disbanded. Last week. Yeah, it's an extras after that. Kyle quit the band. Oh, fuck. All right, I've got Grand Prix loyal customer. It's tricky. I wish it would tell me what they were for. Flawless Racing, Tinkerer. I want It's Tricky. It's tricky to rock around, oh. What are friendships? Many, many things I have not learned. Many things I have not learned. All right, Lucas, I'm gonna send you another invite. Let's squad up, little bro. Little pup. Oh shit, wait, I can buy the back half of my cool board. Yeah, fuck, that's hard. Yeah, that goes hard as fuck. God damn. God damn. Reminds me of that egg ship in SA1. Well, it does have the egg carrier kind of paint job, doesn't it? But it's what game is it? Is it Sonic 2? Or 3? Like these are actual things. I think they're torpedoes. Oh fuck, that looks like was it Kyogre? The Porkyman? No, this goes hard as fuck. Why does that not look right? No, that's correct. Okay. So, can we not do the race park thing? I guess not. I am interested in what race park is and why it says recommended in multiplayer, but then you can't do it online. What is race park? Unless it's in friend match. Hold on. Challenge rival. Just walk with me on this one, Lucas. Just come with me. Take my hand and walk with me into the dark abyss. Rules. Found it. Weird though. Like if we do this, does it count towards progress in the park? This is cool. This looks like balloon battle. Let's try. This looks like battle mode. Yeah, let's see what happens.
Greetings.
Hey, fuck you. I want to do. They got Radical Highway? Oh fuck. I want to do Radical Highway. Excuse me, say that again? Come again? Oh, the blimps just say speed instead of got speed. Oh, if you drive into your friends, you get a little kissy.
Now's my chance.
Yeah, kill him, Lucas.
Yeah, get him, boy. Yeah, kill him, son.
I can't. I'm just getting boosts. I'm not getting. It's working. It's not doing anything. It's a cool game mode, though. What the fuck? Wait, this is the Wario's Pirate Town from Mario Kart World. You can't do this. Did Sega steal the idea of pirates from Nintendo? This is a shit show, but kind of funny. I just have no idea what's happening at any one point. Oh, dude, fly into the squid pussy. The squissy, if you will. Wait, what do they call pussy in Splatoon? Isn't it Woomy? You can turn the stream off now. I only know about this because of Pelly. Okay? Did we win? I don't know what happened.
I should have done better.
What do you mean? Well, I did get an achievement. I got an achievement, so that's cool. We won. Oh, it does, dude. Oh, fuck. Dude, we could just keep doing this and unlock the cool shit. We can grind the game together. Hell yeah. Oh, fuck, that rules. If we do this 2 more times, we get a really cool car. Let's check out a different game mode. Run into your allies for a kick of speed. Let's do it. That's so cool. We can grind this together. If I mean, I'm gonna stream this tomorrow unless I have a really bad day at work. If I do that tomorrow, Lucas, do you want to hop on a call together? Cool. All right, we'll do that tomorrow. I don't know what. I wish there was just a random track. Yeah, fuck it, Metal Harbor. There's a lot of courses in this. This is great, man. This is dope. I will be playing this for a long time. And eventually Kirby will get it and he can play with us. And then we don't have a fourth friend, so that's the end of that. But I don't know a fourth human being. I feel like I'm finally like actually getting used to how this game feels to play, which is nice. Like I feel confident in my ability to use a boost character, which is good because I just want a board. Fuck, we're in second place. Lucas, what are you doing in 11th, dude? Oh, wait. You're not Sage. You're Eggman. Never mind. I thought you were still Sage. Never mind. You're doing great, sweetie. I love you. You fucking idiot! What are you doing in 11? Oh, you're second? Oh. Fuck! I am getting so fucked. I'm pissing. Did we win? I think we lost.
I should have done better.
Dude, because of Big. Hold on, we gotta see how the points play out. Oh, we're fine. Yeah, the team racing's better than Team Sonic Racing. Yeah, for real. Dude, one more and we get a cool car. This is dope. This is dope as fuck. All right, new game mode. Double team dash panel. Yeah, being able to grind unlocks is dope. Oh, what did I hit? Did I fuck up? Oh no, the race is starting, man. I mean, Mario Kart 8 and I guess World as well, like allow you to work on like grinding your own unlocks, but being able to do it together like this is legitimately dope as fuck. I don't know what stage to choose. Let's see how much of a nightmare this is gonna be. This game has a lot of shit to unlock, does it? Sorry, I missed what we're doing. Sorry, I didn't pay attention. What are we doing? I'm just gonna drive really fast. Oh, we're supposed to hit the boost panels. Do you see how I kept that boost? I kept that grind going while I was switching sides. That's crazy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Goodbye, bitrate. I'll miss ya. So long, Screwy. See you in St. Louis. Jesus Christ. I feel like I could fall asleep playing this. Not in like a comforting way. I mean, I could close my eyes and hold the A button, and the level of chaos would propel me to a point where I would do adequately. Which might sound like a dig, but I'm not saying I'd be good. I'm just saying I'd be adequate. Why is this team mechanics? And it's so much fucking better than Team Sonic Racing ever was. That's crazy.
Finish! Never any doubt.
God, he's fucking cool. What happened? What happened to our team? We're gonna get fucked because of our team. It better be us. Barely, though. By 4, though. Hey, get fucked. Nice. The Mirage Blade. Whoa. Yeah, isn't it funny that the team stuff in Mario Kart kind of like slowly, like, I don't even know if it's in World, but has never been like emphasized on. Isn't that strange? Strange, isn't it? Well, I want to see this new car. What type was it? Oh, there it is. It's kind of ugly as fuck, though, no? I feel like the stat differences are so negligible. I just want to keep using my cool board. I want to get aura. I want red aura. So that people know I'm hard. Oh. Look at that fucking car. Silarenda ass car. I want to go back to Team Tap. Team Tap seemed fun. I just wish there was a random track button. Oh. What haven't I done yet? Urban Canyon, sure. What's your favorite stage so far? Mine is Radical Highway. Because it's Radical Highway. I hope they make 800 DLC courses. I hope this game never ends. Make this the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe of Sega racing games, please. I'm begging you. Suck the line. Fuck the through line. That's my friend Lucas. I can drive into him. Yep. Oh, fuck yeah. Dude, this is like Sonic 4 Episode 2. Dude, this is like Sonic Forces with Bro Fist. Remember Bro Fist? Oh fuck, I just crashed into a pipe. I have a severe concussion. Dude, we're Bro Fisting right now. Ow. I'm a trucker.
Too slow.
Bitch, I'm a truck. Bitch, I'm a truck. Bitch, I'm a truck. Bitch, I'm a truck. I killed Rouge for us, Lucas. Fly high, Lucas! Bring us home to victory, my friend!
Now's my chance.
I think I did the worst out of the team, but that's because I swerved at the end to kill a man. That Lucas could fly 3. Oh, we're fine. I think we'll be all right. These characters are scary. We did not tap the most, unfortunately. God will not look favorably on that. We will be executed in the eyes of the Lord. What if you wanted to get into heaven, but God said you didn't tap the most? You want to just keep doing tap boost? I think this one's fun. A tap boost, more like crap boost. You know what I'm saying? Who here gets that one? Wait, this is just rooftop run. Market Street. Amy, you really should not say that. It's just rooftop run. So much Sonic Unleashed in this game. Oh, the music.
Too slow.
Oh shit, it's rooftop run, baby. Where are the balloons? Show me the balloons.
All just faster, more action. See you next time.
Oh, well, that's not what I meant, but those are balloons. And those are in Rooftop Run. Yeah, there's the ship from Rooftop Run. What the fuck? That's crazy. I don't know if there's like intentional crossworlds to go to, but that one felt so intentionally chosen for Rooftop Run. That felt crazy. In this moment, I am euphoric. I also am flattened. My dick will need inflated with a bicycle pump. I don't think I have touched another member of my team in eons.
Finish!
That's all right. I think we finished strong.
Unacceptable.
Oh, Shadow doesn't think so, though. Permit Slewer Slide. One more race and I gotta go. No, you'll stay. That's fine. One more race and I should actually probably call it a stream. But we're gonna unlock a cool car and I'm probably gonna upgrade my gadget bar, so we'll take it. Suck a fart out of my ass. That turned like Duke Nukem-y. Let's see what Chow Park is. Okay, we'll do that one. But only because you're my friend. Like a Wario Park from Mario Kart 8. Hi, I'm gonna do this a million more times, by the way. Dude, you can't say that about Charlie Kirk. Oh, look, little roller coaster carts. Man, I'm sorry to say this again. I'm sorry to be this way about Mario Kart World, but it's crazy how much more like livelier and crazy and fun these tracks are than anything in Mario Kart 8. Or sorry, Mario Kart World. I like that when your friends tap you, it does bump you a little bit, so it still feels like you're getting bullied. I do like that. Lucas! Alright, to be fair, I might have caused that one by giving you a bump. I might have caused you to crash into that truck. But you should have seen that coming. Damn, dude, I just got a quad kill. Whoa, it's like the Metal Overlord fight. Whoa! Touch me, brother. Tap me, brother.
Of course.
Easy. Dude, we smashed him. It's just too easy. What a stupid fucking car that was. Victoria Carriage. Oh man, I'm one away. Okay, before you go, Lucas. Actually, I don't, you can go if you want. But I just want to see, if we ready up, I want to see what the next unlock is. And then you can leave. Oh, wait, I fucked up. Wait, I fucked up. Wait, we didn't have to do that. I fucked up. I just had to hit the start button. I didn't have to start a race. I fucked up. I fucked up. Evil Shadow. Now we gotta win. Uh-oh.
Now's my chance.
Hi, Lucas. I'm off track. I'm off track. I'm a trucker. I'm a trucker.
Random track.
This music is crazy.
Too slow.
What the hell? Fuck. Damn, we fell off. I hate to say it, we fell off. I'm in 12th place, we fell off. Lucas, you have to carry us. I'm too busy getting fucked back here. Come on, Sonic. Touch my penis, Sonic.
Embarrassing.
I'm scared. What if we lost? Oh, well. Well, maybe we'll be all right. I don't, we pulled it out last second. We clutched it last second. All right, what do we get though? What do we get for kicking these guys' ass? Whoa! Dude, the Batmobile from the Dark Knight trilogy. Nice. Wait. Okay, I'm waiting. Waiting. Never mind. Okay. All right. All right, let's back out. There was the shadow car from 06. No, I don't think it is. It's similar, though. You do got that vibe. Hold on. Was that collision boost? Collide with a machine to boot. Yeah, give me that. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'll take that. All right, how close to 100%ing the game are we? And when do I get to play as SpongeBob? SpongeBob's probably gonna be my main. I gotta level with you. Damn, none of these are speed types or boost types. Miku was a boost type. Guys, who's hotter, Wave or Rouge the Bat? I'll let you debate that. I'll let you figure that out amongst yourself. That's the stream. I'm gonna get out of here. Unless something crazy happens tomorrow at work, which it always could, let's be real. I'll be live tomorrow. and we're gonna play more. Lucas, you and me, we're gonna get a call. And I'm gonna scream at you. I'm gonna call you names and scream at you the whole time. Sorry, I got distracted by this is relevant. Johnny Joelli, the singer from Crush 40, the songwriter and singer from Crush 40, made a post on Facebook about the lawsuit over Live and Learn, and yeah, how the lawsuit was dismissed and the song is in legal limbo, which makes me think all of the Crush 40 songs are gonna end up in legal limbo potentially, which is weird to think about. I don't know. That's above my pay grade. I don't know enough to weigh in on that. I don't know enough. I'll say I always support artists, so I'll say that, but I don't know enough to say what's going on there. He did leak the Sonic Fortnite collab, though. Yeah, that is true, which is crazy. Anyways, that's that. I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully. This game's good. Take it from someone who was worried about it and someone who thought it wasn't going to be very good because Team Sonic Racing was not very good. This one's really good. It feels good to play. The writing is good. The music is good. The visuals are good. I'm excited to unlock stuff. Like, unlocking things feels like not only like a nice challenge, but like an actual, when you unlock something, it's an actual fucking reward. Instead of just like a new skin. This is great. Is it Kart Racer of the Year? I don't know. Garfield Kart 2, though. That one was pretty good. Gotta give it to Garfield Kart 2, I think. Still got Air Riders? Fuck, dude, I forgot What is up with this year? What is going on this year with kart racers? Fuck. Well, it could still be topped. When was the last time we got 3 major kart racers in 1 year? Dude, I don't know. Maybe like I don't know, did the CTR remake come out the same year as Mario Kart 8 Deluxe? I don't think so. That'd be a crazy coincidence, but yeah, I don't know if kart racer heads have ever been eating this good before. It's a good time for us. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go. Really good. I'm really like surprised by how much I'm liking this game. So really happy. I will definitely be playing a billion more hours of this one. But for now, I'm gonna go hit the hay. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. See you tomorrow. Hopefully. Good game. Really genuinely great game. Hell yeah. It's so nice to, because Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing transformed so good, but it's like janky now, like tech-wise. It's nice to have a kart racer that, like, I'm gonna wait for this one to go on sale before I start telling my friends who hate Sonic the Hedgehog to buy it. But I think eventually I could convince them. And I won't even be embarrassed by making them play a Sonic the Hedgehog kart racer. Even though they're going to be like, Shadow the Hedgehog, isn't that the edgy guy? No, he's fucking cool. He's fucking cool.